Fix Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core low FPS drops lag issue on PC. 1. Restart your PC. Close the game and Steam completely. Restart your computer normally. Launch the game again afterward. 2. Update graphics drivers. Install latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers. Use clean installation option if available. Restart your PC after updating. 3. Lower in-game graphics settings. Reduce texture, shadows, and effects quality. Disable motion blur and extra visual effects. Lower resolution scale for better FPS. Hack 4. Enable high performance mode. Open Windows power options. Select high performance mode. Restart the game afterward. 5. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close OBS, browsers, and RGB software. Stop unnecessary startup applications. Harbor 6. Verify game files. Open Steam library. Right-click Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core. Click Verify integrity of game files. Hack 7. Install latest Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install all pending updates. Restart your PC after installation. 8. Clear shader cache. Open GPU control panel settings. Delete DirectX OpenGL shader cache files. Restart your PC afterward. 9. Move the game to SSD. Install Rogue Core on SSD instead of HDD. Improve loading speed and texture streaming. Reduce lag spikes and FPS drop. 10. Limit FPS and enable VSync. Enable VSync or FPS cap in settings. Match FPS limit with monitor refresh rate. Reduce stuttering and unstable frame pacing.